All right, guys. Next up, I've got Barry here. He's going to do a couple boxes of 2018 Leaf Trinity baseball. Appreciate it, man. Good luck to you. See if we can hit one of these big names here on the cover and add a 101 to it. All right, we'll start off with Cole Winn, Go Rangers inscription. Next up is a clear signatures of Connor Scott. Nice looking Brewers patch, Joe Gray. Multicolor. Ooh, Grayson Rodriguez with the Maryland State logo. Number 2 of 10, Baltimore Orioles. Tristan Casas, 3-color. And nice, Fernando Tatis Jr. Base autograph. All right, good hit right there in the Tatis. And number 2. Savage is a big fan of the Maryland State patch. He likes it. All right, Daniel Lynch. /25. Go Royals inscription. Autograph of Julio Pablo Martinez. Purple clear. All right, and we got a Ronaldo Hernandez. Oh, this is a crazy looking patch. Look at this thing. Noelvi Marte. The logo piece. Wow, another awesome looking Orioles patch. 3 of 10. Caden Grenier. Great looking commemorative patch on that one. And how about a Shohei Ohtani patch autograph, 3-color to round it on out. Not bad, man. You crushed it with the West Coast hits and the Baltimore Orioles patches. All right. Barry, I'll get all this stuff packed up, shipped out first thing in the morning, buddy.